Okay, so check it out. I'm installing this single handle, single hole faucet. It's got this bolt under here, and this is the mounting thing you screw on, and it's got it's got a washer and a rubber gasket and two bolts, and it has a notch here on both the washer and the rubber gasket, presumably for this bolt right here to screw in. But if you do that, then you know it doesn't have it on the other side, so then the washer is going to be crooked. It doesn't really make sense. It makes a little more sense to me to, this is going to fall over, to just put this on not where the notch is, so that the two bolts put the pressure up on the washer and seal it with the gasket. That's what I think.